Hello everyone, this is your girl, Kino, the Stay Home Cutie, and I'm here again doing another product review and unboxing. Now I want to present to you, and I know I'm not gonna pronounce this right. It's the Oukitel FL1 Rechargeable EDC Flashlight with Lanyard. It is 500 lumens. It's portable, a flat flashlight with 7 modes, and it also can be used as a pocket light and also for emergencies. So I've already unboxed everything, and it's set out here. This is the actual box it comes in. When you receive it, you'll probably receive it. I received this today. I ordered it I think about a day or two ago. I think it was 2 days ago. It was originally stated that I was supposed to receive, the arrival date was supposed to be Monday, but I received it today, so that is a definite plus. When it's shipped through DHL, but then it's transferred to the USPS. So, and when it arrives, they're gonna repackage it, and it's gonna be put in your mailbox. So when you receive it, you will receive like the white USPS packaging for freight, and then this will be inside of the box. And this is everything. This is the packaging and everything packaged very well. This is the actual light. And this is the charging cord. This is your quick start manual, your belt loop, which I love, your lanyard, and this right here, I think this goes to this, I think. I'm not really sure. I kind of breezed through it. I have several things going on right now. But I did test it out. This is a very, very good light. It actually fits inside of your pocket or purse, or if you have a college student or a parent or auntie or someone that's elderly, they can actually put this in their pocket or purse or handbag. So that is a definite plus. And give you a closer look of the belt loop. And I like this because I was looking for something. I work with here in Jacksonville, Florida. I work at the stadium, and they have different events with the company that I work for. And one of the things that they told us we need to kind of get for our little our clear bag, because that's what you have to have in order to enter into any NFL stadium, a flashlight. Because we have the Jacksonville Jaguars here, we have the Jacksonville Sharks, we have the Wave and Jumbo Shrimp, and at times they have like rave games, you know, where they have lights and the lights are off, and so you have to be able to see. That is a requirement. That is not an option, because you have to be able to see to walk up and down the stairs. It's a safety thing. So I seen this and I said, okay, let me get that, because I do need a flashlight, and it has 7 modes, and I said this would be perfect. I didn't know that it had a belt loop, which I think that's awesome, and the lanyard, I did see that, and I knew it was rechargeable. So let's take a look into the manual, the quick start manual that you get. It is very small, so I will try to bring it up to the camera so that you can see the different functions. I will go over the different functions at a later time. Now, this company that actually sent me this, they actually have a lot of emergency equipment. I was clicking on different items. Of course, I will always have the link to each items that I review. But this is just a simple unboxing. I will kind of turn it on. It's really bright, y'all. It's 7 modes. There's another mode. So hopefully, I'm trying to make sure that I don't blind anybody. So yeah. Now, like I said, I haven't played around with it or anything like that. But those are some of the functions. I think this is a great item. And perfect for anybody, especially if you're single. And as you can see, the bottom is actually lit up. Let me turn off the lights in my kitchen so you can see a little bit better. Okay, so that is, my lights are off. So let's try this again. That's one mode. It has 7 total. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there you go, it's turned off. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Oukitel rechargeable, well, FL1 rechargeable EDC flashlight with lanyard and the belt loops, the 500 lumens portable flat flashlight with 7 modes. It's a pocket version. It's light. It's a pocket light. I'm sorry, I'm tired. And it's for, you can use it for emergencies, but I think this can be used for every day. So I hope this helps. And again, this is your girl Kino with the stay-at-home, and I'm the stay-at-home cutie. If anyone hasn't told you today, be blessed, be kind. Jesus loves you, and so do I. Smile, that's your best business card. And, you know, don't sweat the light stuff. Hey, everybody goes through something. There's someone somewhere that's, you know, going through something that's worse than what you're going through now. So yeah, so blessings 30,000 folks, sorry. So let's add 20, not 3,000, let's add another 27. Blessings 30,000 fold. And I will see you later, and love you to life. And like, share, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.